So the number one reason you may not be able to do a pistol squat, it may not be because you don't have the strength to do it, but rather that your ankle mobility and flexibility might be weak. You practice with other movements that you can do comfortably to build up a strong support. Doing different types of moves in different ways. I recommend always warming up your ankle before attempting the pistol squat. But if it is because you don't have the strength, you can practice exercises like this one in order to get stronger. It'll be good when trying to learn the pistol squat to practice with variations like this in order to build up the necessary strength to do a full pistol squat. I do think it's important to practice with your hamstring flexibility. If you need another variation to practice your pistol squat, you can use an object or pole to hold on to help assist you on your way up when first learning. Eventually you'll be able to progress to a lower surface so that you can really get a greater range of motion. Follow these steps and you too will have your first pistol squat.